Now let's see how to go from CAD to Dialux. Let's say we have a plan in CAD like this and we want to study the lighting behavior of this specific room. So in order to do this, we can use this Excel file that will work like a panel control, and we will need to input a few data like the room name, the work plane height, the work plane walls offset, the maintenance factor, and the height of the room. This is going to be the path where the Dialux will export the summary sheets, and here we can define which kind of fittings we want to test. Let's say this one and this one. The fitting angle, in this case just 0 degrees. The X and Y interaxis, so I'm going to try with 1 and 1.8 in both directions, meaning every 2 tiles and every 3 tiles. I can generate the combinations. We see here the different scenarios, 8 different scenarios that will be taken. Oh, sorry, this was this one. 8 different scenarios that will be taken into consideration by the Dialux. So the first scenario is this fitting angle, this X interaxis, and this Y interaxis, and so on. So we can now import the coordinates directly from CAD, just with a few clicks. And so the Excel just imported the right coordinates, and he will export them to the Dialux. So I can use now this AutoKey program I did. I will make it start, and now I can just go for a coffee or whatever, because the Dialux will work alone. As you can see from the cursor doesn't move. And in a few words, the Dialux is now building all the 8 different scenarios we just saw on the Excel. So it will build the geometry, all the field about the fittings, and will export finally the summary sheet at specified path. So the Dialux finished, and what we need to do now is go at this path and check what we have. Alright, we already have it here, and these are all the PDFs just generated by Dialux. We're gonna open them. And everything we need to do now is check the results and see if the targets we required are achieved or not, and this can help in taking a final decision about the fitting to pick, and this has been done just with few clicks. So just to show you the PDFs, as you can see, the position of the lighting is centered. And these are the 8 different scenarios defined in the Excel. 3, 6, 7, and 8.